I'm back in the trenches. No, I'm just playing, y'all. I'm back in Mississippi. Finna link up with my people. Full Throttle 662. They having another car meet, and this is gonna be their first time seeing Shadow Mach 2, the new and approved Shadow. And I know a lot of them be excited to see my car in person. I'm also gonna meet some new people that's gonna be pulling up that I got in contact with, and they excited too. So it's been a good little minute since we done had a meet down this way, y'all. So I'm prepared. I can't wait to see who all finna show up. But I'll tune back in with y'all when I get to the spot. Yeesh. Hey, I done seen it all. Trust me, you ain't telling me nothing new.
Inside that bit, new steering wheel on the way. Few days.
Ooh.
There you go.
Yeah, my boy Trim with that hoe. And to all my anime viewers, y'all know they gotta have the samurai gear shift. That's nasty. I fuck with that heavy.
Yeah. Shit. New tail light, they just came like last week or two.
It's just so tough.
One was so hard. Yeah, on my keys, I can turn it on for you.
Oh. Yeah, YouTube, I thought clean. He shut me the fuck up. He doing better than me.
Nah, you doing way better, gang.
Nah, that's all you. I can't stand a chance. I'm just a big ass boat. You lighter than you move fast as hell. You got the tax at Gapple, so I ain't trying to go to Gap because I refuse. Yeah, nah, I don't want no smoke. I feel for sure.
See, I'm putting headers on these nicks though. No headers in it.
Yeah, I'm damn sure ain't fucking with you. I'm damn sure ain't fucking with you.
Gotta go get it though. You think gonna be hard though? I don't know what
Well, look who decided to show up. Yeah, I ain't seen this motherfucker in 9 months. Brody done showed up. BMW tough right here. Dual snorkel hood, yeah, that's tough. Well, look who it is. I ain't seen this man, what, 9 months? How you down bad? You don't want the clean ass scat around here with the LED wicker bill. Nah, you ain't down bad. So tough. Seven with the yellow brakes. Bro, this shit's so tough. Especially this wicker bill.
I mean, technically, yeah.
Can't go wrong with a colder intake.
a little bit more challenging, but I guess it's fully sleep.
He said, "Yeah, I want to race it." Shit.
Hey, bro, that's you.
Notice the SRT 392. Come on. You gonna swipe at the grill? You see them snowflakes. Chips so damn fat. Straight A Jeep. That whole tough too. And that junk cam. Woo! Definitely Z06.
I live at the bank, comes on, yeah.
So what's your name and state your business, sir?
What's up with it, man? It's your boy, that boy Slim, man. What's
Yes,
good with you,
sirski.
gang? Nice to finally meet you.
Good to finally meet you too,
Nice
gang.
to finally meet you, bro. Hell yeah, they, bro. I had a lot of shit to do today. Starting from the wake up, I had the meal privilege promotion.
Yeah.
They were like, I really didn't feel like doing it, but I was like, fuck it. You gonna work out in the end.
Oh, yeah, for sure that.
So shit, you know what I'm saying?
I already know what you waiting to see.
Hell yeah. Right now I'm just going.
How your 5 sound?
Huh?
I can hear your 5.
Damn, already.
Yep.
Already.
Yeah, that joint is nasty. That joint nasty.
It was basically like a show car for real.
How much they charge you for?
Between it was a deal. I'm just saying it was under 30, so it was a deal. Yeah.
Definitely got a good one, bro.
Oh yeah, he do.
I want a damn 350 now.
That's a 500 GT 500 back up there.
What about?
Right up there.
Right.
You should have heard on Reddit, bro.
That bitch sound like a cat.
Hey,
What's your name? State your business, man.
man, hey. RJ, man, what do you do?
What it do, brody? Yeah.
seats in there.
See?
What kind of seats you got in there?
I don't like the guy.
All right, he got them exclusive ass seats on God.
No cap. That shit hard. That's so tough.
Boy got the butterman in that bitch. Don't play with him.
Whole feet, goddamn.
That boy,
This is so tough.
this slow too, huh? Don't forget the fuck from over there.
If they stand over here and they sit out here, they lying.
It stopped. Bang.
It stopped.
So y'all gonna
Hey, I don't sleep on shit. Hey, I don't sleep on shit that do 200.
Hey, you cheat. Hey, you cheat. You cheat.
Hey, he be, hey,
Boy, you cheat.
hey, Fred, he be on that bike.
Should take me to that bitch. Hey, I'm like that.
I ain't gonna lie, he burped between that motherfucker, which I know he not. That'd be crazy. Would you race him also?
I had that bitch skiing on top of that water.
Nah, he ain't.
Shit, I hell.
I won't give a damn. You better sit back. What you say, my guy? He said, "Oh my God."
Sign me up, please.
That bitch so nasty. Yeah, what you need next, man? Gotta go ahead and get you one.
I turn everything up.
No, you don't.
I do. Everything.
Just unexpected shit happens. That ain't your fault. Golly. Let me hear that supercharger real quick.
I ain't got nothing like that.
Yes, you do.
Look.
He two-stepping on that hoe.
No cap.
Yep, come on. You see it. Come on. Come on. You see it. You see it.
Every time, I guarantee you, every time you get on social media, you gon' see this. You gon' see this fucking skate. This bitch is so trim, gang. This bitch so trim. I ain't gonna lie. This bitch one-on-one.
Oh, yeah.
This bitch one-on-one.
Had to be different now.
This bitch one-on-one, gang. Like, look at this shit. This detail, bro. This is detail. Shadow on the fucking 392, cuz. That shit detail. Man, come on, man. You don't get no harder than this. You don't get no harder than this. With the carbon fiber side skirt. Carbon fiber side skirt. That's crazy. And red my favorite color. So for you to do this detail right here with the red tips, bro, this shit tough. That shit is tough. What diameter is it? 5?
Yep, A5.
This so tough. This so tough. There be a one of none. Fuck that, one of none. One of none. That be go into the light right here.
Yeah, like it's basically like a big ass sticker. Let me show you.
Oh yeah, I see. Ooh, that be tough, bro. This shit tough as hell, bro. This shit tough as hell. Yeah, I fuck with that bitch. I don't even just drive. I don't fuck with my pop, but like, Like, I wouldn't personally get one, but like to see people like come different with that bitch. To see people come different with that bitch, this shit tough. I like it. Like I was telling you guys, like you can't like for the most part you cannot go wrong. Like everybody gonna come different no matter how the level of complexity you have with your car or whatever mods you do.
Damn.
They really be kissing me off guard.
I swear they do. I swear.
They be kissing me off guard. It don't matter. Nobody gonna have the same exact like
Ah, so like.
it just the diversity is just tough.
For sure that.
Yeah, I like cars anyway. So
Exactly. Exactly.
Cause I can put my fist in these joints. I can put my fist in them.
Appreciate it. Oh yeah, my car grabbed a lot of attention. Appreciate it. Tough. Alright, YouTube, this is it for today's vlog. The car meet was a straight, pretty good experience. A lot of people came out. Got a lot of good vibes, a lot of love shown. Everybody showed love to Shadow. They said that's the 101 scat, that's the hardest scat. So yeah, I had a good time. Shout out to my boys, Full Throttle, 662. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the rest. I'm out. Till next time. Deuces.